In our previous lesson, we discussed squares of positive whole numbers. In this lesson, we are going to be discussing squares of positive fractional numbers. Examples. Find the first one. Find the square of 4 over 5. Find the square of 4 over 5. Find the square of 4 over 5. So solution, 4 over 5 square will give us, now these two we are having, you can see that's the power there. And we have 4 and we have 5. 4 is at numerator and 5 is at the denominator. So now in this case, the 2 will affect both numerator and the denominator. So we are going to have 4 square divided by what? 5 square. And what will this one give us? 4 square means what? 4 times 4. And that's 16. 5 square means what? 5 times 5. And that is 25. So the answer is 16 divided by 25.